So although spelling minuscule, M-I-N-I, would be the wrong way to spell it, as opposed to minuscule, so M-I-N-I-S-C-U-L-E, above M-I-N-U. It is seen, in some way, a correct alternative. Yeah. It's like, I remember an article years ago, people were confused about the word speech. Is it E-E-C-H or E-A-C-H? And they were saying, oh, well, it doesn't matter. Either one is fine. We know what you're talking about. It's fine. And the people were pushing back against this to say, well, if you let standards slip and go down, then what else would have its standards drop as well? It's a slippery slope. If you let one word be misspelt, then which other word is next? Then which word is next? It's a slippery slope, it's a precedent. So it wasn't too good. Yeah. Slippery slope, there we are, very good. Yeah, has its, yeah, very good. So another misconception is the word decimate, which many people believe to mean destroy, decimate something, destroy. But it can also mean to reduce by 10%, and it comes from a Latin word, decimus. Decimus, another Latin word. So people assume decimate equals destroy. They will decimate the army. We will decimate the city. They will be decimated. Yes, but when you look at the history, where it's come from, so you know where it's going to go, deci generally means 10 in Latin. Yeah, decimal place, decade. Oh, decimal place, decade in English, decade, 10 years. 10 years. Decimal place. That's 0.1 in a way. Decimal place. 1 decimal place. Okay. Makes sense. 1/10 of something. Okay. But what decimate really means is to reduce by 10%, reduce by, or to reduce to 10%. Decimus. So, incorrect or misconceptions about words and their meanings also creep into languages, simply because these errors, these mistakes, creep into English because the people using the language, humans, are not perfect. So we're not perfect, so by logical extension, we are not perfect, so therefore the language won't be either, among other things as well. Among other things, not everything will be perfect. Anything we create, anything we build, anything we write, by logical definition, will not be perfect because we aren't perfect. Makes sense? Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Decimate. Let's keep exploring.